The moody days seem to fly away when I'm with my Polaroid, living life with no regrets, snapping pictures everywhere, creating memories that last a lifetime. Oh, memories on a bulletin board, taken on my Polaroid, captured through the lens onto my heart. Each one shows a glimpse, a crack into the past, moments of joy collected on my Polaroid, reflecting on my past, feeling thankful for the lessons that I learned. Without my friends and family, I wouldn't be where I would be. Going through life with them is all I ever need. Oh, memories on a bulletin board, a